Welcome to this honest and comprehensive review of IONOS, one of the most widely used hosting providers in Europe and the US. Today, I'll be walking you through my experience using IONOS over the past few months, exploring everything from its user interface and pricing structure to actual server performance and customer support. The first thing that stands out about IONOS is its variety of hosting options. Whether you're looking for shared hosting, VPS, dedicated servers, or even managed WordPress hosting, they offer all of it. I started with their basic shared hosting plan, which came with a free domain for the first year and SSL included. The setup process was fairly straightforward, though the interface can be a bit clunky, especially if you're coming from a more modern dashboard like SiteGround or Bluehost. Once everything was set up, I began testing site speed and uptime. During the first few weeks, uptime was consistent, around 99.97%, which is respectable. However, loading times were a bit of a mixed bag. On lighter websites, IONOS held up quite well. But once I started adding plugins and heavier content, performance began to lag slightly. Support was another area that felt inconsistent. IONOS advertises 24/7 support, and while response times were fast, the quality of help varied. Some reps were knowledgeable, while others provided generic, copy-pasted responses that didn't really solve the issue. The pricing is competitive, especially for the first year. But be careful, renewal prices can be significantly higher, and it's not always clearly communicated during sign-up. They do offer scalable solutions, so upgrading to VPS or dedicated hosting is easy once your site outgrows the shared environment. And just when it felt like everything was lagging, AltaHost turned out to be the one solution that simply works. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. IONOS also offers some advanced tools, like email marketing integrations, site analytics, and scalable storage. However, these features are sometimes buried in submenus and not very intuitive to access. Compared to platforms like Hosting or A2 Hosting, IONOS feels slightly dated, but remains powerful if you know your way around. Security is where IONOS does well. SSL certificates are included, and they provide DDoS protection and regular backups even on lower-tier plans. However, some tools like staging environments and site cloning are only available on premium plans. In conclusion, IONOS is a solid hosting provider with strong infrastructure and reasonable pricing, but it's not without its quirks. The control panel could use a revamp, and support consistency needs improvement. It's best suited for users who are either just starting out and want affordable basics or experienced users who can navigate the complex interface to get the most out of its advanced features. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more real-world hosting reviews and tutorials.